Hello and welcome back to Get Healthy Now Mastery. So glad you're joining me and welcome into my laboratory. Oh yeah, this is where the chemistry begins, y'all. This is where the chemistry began. You know, I told you all, go to the grocery store and walk. I want you to walk, just practice. Walk through the grocery store, walk through the produce aisle, and I want you to walk around the produce aisle and feel what you feel. Then I want you to leave there and go down to the meat counter and feel what you feel there. Then go up the aisles and feel what you feel there and see what the difference is. And see what the difference is. I promise you, you're going to be able to tell the difference in your energy. This is life. This is life. So I am running to life. I am moving to life, and I want you to move to life. Yes, I do. But I have another good juice for you today. It's another one of my favorites, you all. I have not made a juice that was not my favorite. I promise you. And I don't want this video to be real long today. Oh, okay, cool. So it's my purple cabbage juice. My purple cabbage juice. That's my heart health juice. But I want you to know that purple cabbage is good for your whole body. But my purpose is heart health. I have purple cabbage. I have the beets, the red beets. I have one small purple cabbage, 3 beets, and I'm using the greens to the beet greens. I'm using the beet greens from the beets. And I have, I'm using 7 red apples, 4 inches of ginger, 4 inches of turmeric. And there you have it. There you have it. So we're going to get this party started. You know, I always like to get the party started, okay? So in here I have the beet greens, some purple cabbage, and beets. So there you have it. Oh yeah. So you guys, thank you again for joining me. Thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you to the newcomers. You all, I am so excited that you're joining us here at Get Healthy. Can't even talk. I'm so excited. At Get Healthy Now Mastery. I am so excited that you have decided to join us. Take the journey with us. And I'm just taking you on my journey. I'm taking you on my journey that I started back in 2009 at 272 pounds. When I got on that scale that last time and saw 272, I said to myself, girl, you're 18 pounds from being 300 pounds. And I knew right then I needed to do something. I needed to do something. I needed to make some changes in my life. And that's where my journey began. And if you want to see it, I think I have, I'm trying to think of the name of the video, but there are probably 2 videos, maybe 3, on Marge's transformation from a size 26 to a size 6. My transformation from a size 26 to a size 6. So I just want you to just check it out. That's all. Just check it out. It's there. It's there. So, and this journey continues. This journey continues. So now I'm juicing up. I'm juicing up and I'm rawing up. I'm rawing up. If that's a word, I just made it up if it's not a word. I'm rawing it up. So I just want to encourage and inspire people all over the world to make dietary and lifestyle, I don't want to say dietary, Well, since they call it a diet, so I'm going to say dietary lifestyle. Alternative lifestyle. Yeah, absolutely. Yes and yes. So I just wanted to come back here and just share this with you, because this juice right here, again, is good for the whole body. You want to get rid of inflammation. You want to get rid of acne. You want clear skin. You want a brighter vision. You want, what I want to say, good mouth health, a hygiene. That's good hygiene. If no, that's not hygiene. What is it called? Dental health. Dental. So this is a juice for you. I promise you. This is a juice for you. So when this video, when you see this video, I'm not sure when it's coming out. However, whenever it comes out, just know that April the 12th is right around the corner. April the 12th is right around the corner, where we are going all raw for 7 days. We're celebrating my 175 years around the sun. Is she crazy? I know that's what somebody said. Is she crazy? No, I am not crazy. And guess what? Those of you who have birthdays in April, some of you did tell me and I forgot. So I'm going to say, I'm shouting out to everybody's birthday who's in April. And when I go live on Saturday, I want you all to put in the chat if it's your birthday month, okay? We're going to celebrate everybody, not just me, everybody. You know why it's such a big celebration? Because it does my heart good to see so many of you. I put it out in one of my videos to tell me if you were committed to your health, to put in the comment section, I choose life. And so many of you have put in that comment section that I choose life. And that excites me, y'all. That excites me. You have no idea how excited I become because you said, I choose life. You said it. Yes, you did. And I'm excited about that. I'm right here with you because I choose life too. I choose life too. And when we say choosing life, we're talking about vibrant life. We are talking about vibrant life. And that's what we want. Absolutely. Vibrant life. Okay, I better. You all know I have to strain this one. You know what? Maybe I'll just drink it like it is. I'm going to drink it just like it is. Just to see. See all that? Can you see all that pulp in there? Can you see all that pulp in there? So maybe I'll just drink the pulp too. You know, I'm open to trying things. Did y'all see my video on the papaya? Y'all gotta see my video. If you haven't seen my video that I did on my first time eating papaya, go back and do it. I did it the first part of this week. Yep, on papaya. I sure did. I bought one too. I was excited. Yes, I do like it. It's not sweet. I thought it would be sweet, but it's not sweet. But I do like it. I do like it. All righty. We about got this party going. So, again and again, type, I'm choosing life and I'm rebuilding my body from the inside out. Also, if you have a birthday, put it in the comment. Put it in your comment. Let me know that you have a birthday this month. And I think of what I'm going to be doing going forward. Each month, we're going to recognize birthdays. or Earth Days, whatever you call it. We're gonna call it your return to Earth. Yes, your return to Earth. So we're gonna celebrate your return to Earth. So each month we're gonna do that. All right. Okay, we're done. We are done. Look at this, y'all. Look how rich that looks like. Look how rich that looks. And you all think money is what's rich? No, look at that right there. That's what's rich. Look at that. That's what's rich right there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Can y'all see that color? Look at that. Look up there. Let's put me some in here. And then we'll fill my jars up here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I should have had habanero pepper to go in here. But that's all right. I'll put some black pepper in it. And you know what? I just might put some cayenne pepper in it too. I just might. You all, again, please share this with your family and friends. You all, and encourage them to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and follow us on this journey. I thank you all for helping me to reach my 5,000 subscribers by May the 1st. I thank you all so much. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I'm excited. Again, thank you. My channel is fully monetized. And so therefore, I have the opportunity to have memberships. So I'm celebrating memberships as well. So I'm asking you if you want to take your juice experience up to the next level. You ready to elevate to the next level? You ready to transcend to the next level of juicing? Come on and join Juice Masters. Come on and go and join Juice Masters. Going forward with Juice Masters, we got something great planned for you. Something great and powerful, you all. Great and powerful. I cannot share it with you, but come on over to Juice Masters and you'll be glad you did. That's all I can say. You'll be glad you did, because we are choosing life. We are rebuilding from the inside out. We are moving to life. Things that are behind us that do not serve us anymore, they will stay behind us. That's right. So look, cheers to reversing heart murmurs. Cheers to reversing heart disease. Cheers to reversing diabetes. Cheers to the, reversing cancer. Cheers to reversing gut health. Reversing colon health. Reversing skin health. Reversing eye health issues. Reversing all of these issues. Cheers, cheers, and cheers. That is good. And I really can't tell that the pulp is in there, y'all. But it's good. It is truly good. It's another vibrational juice. I know you all hear me swallowing this, but that's all right. It's because it's good. It's good. All right. Thank you again. For joining me in my laboratory. And thank you for coming along, experiencing the energy and the vibrations. Thank you. And until the next time, thank you to all of my subscribers, to the newcomers, to those who are sitting out in the congregation and you're not making any noise. Thank you to you too. Thank you. You all go ahead and send me a thumbs up. Send me a comment and share this with your family and friends. Just let them know Margie over here at Get Healthy Now Mastery said, come on over and get some of this energy and this vibration that's going on through her from these juices. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Join me. I love it, love it, love it. I love you all so much. May God bless you and peace be with you. Until we meet again, peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli.